20 minutes is that you must actually have ticked off everything here. Everything. You must in here have been really specific. So if you just move your foot a little bit. See in here, are you watching? I hope so, because it's not one person's job in your group, it's all of yours. Here, we found this rock near the river. Now, if I found this rock, and this is where I found it, what is it surrounded by?
Grass and sand.
Well, yeah, forget about the grass, because you wouldn't find too much of it down there. Okay, there's sand. Are there small, tiny rocks? Yes. Are they different shapes and colours? Yes. Is there a finer material, finer than sand, that's actually more like silt?
Minerals.
Yes, there is the silt stuff. The tiniest little black dots there is silt.
What is silt?
It's finer material than sand, and it's really just when everything breaks apart, it gets down to really fine material, rock material. So in here, I actually expect you to say, I found it here, it was surrounded by. Yeah, does that make sense? Great. The lengths and stuff should be, and width should be there. In the texture, you should be describing colour and texture. Under shape, you should be describing size and shape. There should be 3 or 4 sentences per box that describe it. An example is, if I look at this rock once, I might just say, oh, it's kind of whitey. But then I look again and there's some brown, some orange, some grey. And when I'm looking at the shape really closely, there's little ridges everywhere and there's even some holes in it. So in here you need to be really, really specific. Okay? So you've only got 20 minutes to make sure that's all done. So both your groups have got a little bit of work to do?
I would say they could probably add a bit more.
Yeah.
They've done some really good work, but we could probably add
a bit more. So my group, you've definitely got work to do because that's not finished, but you guys go add what you need to and just tick off all your tasks because you're down to the last 20 minutes. That's